Hello, boys and girls. This week we are going to talk about numbers and things we can find in the classroom. Let's start. 7 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 delicious candies. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Book, pencil, bag, Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Here's my bag. Here's my bag. Great. Here's my bag. Here's my book. Here's my book. Good job. Here's my book. Here's my pencil. Here's my pencil. Excellent. Here's my pencil. Great job. Bye-bye.